Achoo!
Once upon a time, in a far-off kingdom, there lived a beautiful princess named Isabella. She had everything she could ever wish for, but there was one thing she was unable to do: sneeze. Try as she might, no matter how hard she breathed in, she never managed to expel that satisfying achoo. Isabella had always been envious of those who could sneeze, and it made her feel like something was missing in her life. She watched as the court jester, the cook, and even the stable boy let out loud, satisfying sneezes, and she felt so bad about it. The king and the queen, concerned for their daughter's well-being, summoned the best doctors and healers from far and wide, but none of them could find a solution to Isabella's problem. She was left feeling frustrated and alone, unable to share in the simple joy of a good sneeze. One day, a wise old sage arrived at the castle, claiming that he knew the secret to Isabella's problem. The princess was eager to hear what he had to say, and the sage whispered a few words into her ear. "Next time you feel a sneeze coming on," he said, "just say the word trampoline. This will not solve your problem forever, but it might change your life." Isabella insisted on finding out more, but the sage remained mysterious. "It's up to you to discover what is coming next." No matter how hard Isabella and her parents tried, those were the last words spoken by the sage. Isabella was left standing there, her mind swirling with confusion. The sage's enigmatic words echoed in her ears, leaving her with more questions than answers. For days on end, she pondered the meaning behind this cryptic message, searching for clues and unraveling the mysteries hidden within. She pored over ancient books, consulted with scholars, and even sought advice from the wisest in the kingdom, but none could decipher the sage's words. One day, as she was in the library of her parents' palace, she tried to pick from one of the shelves a book, but the book was covered in dust, and as she tried to touch it, all the dust spread in the air. And suddenly she felt a big sneeze coming on, maybe the most tormenting sensation of her life. "I must try it," she said to herself. She took a deep breath and whispered, "Trampoline." To her surprise, she let out a huge achoo, and the room shook with the force of it. Isabella was overjoyed. She had finally sneezed. She immediately tried again, saying trampoline, and waiting for the next sneeze to come. But it didn't. No matter how hard she tried, she couldn't sneeze again. The princess was distraught. She had finally found a solution to her problem, but it only worked once. She didn't know what to do, and for a while, she became sad again. But after weeks of desperation, a thought occurred to her. If she couldn't sneeze, she could at least try to help others to sneeze. So she began to wander through the kingdom, saying trampoline to anyone who was struggling to sneeze. And to her amazement, it worked every time. People began to talk about the kind princess who could help them sneeze, and before long, Isabella had become a beloved figure in the kingdom. As the years went by, Isabella became known throughout the land as the Sneeze Whisperer, and she was regarded as a hero by all who suffered from the inability to sneeze. She realized that her problem had given her a unique ability to help others, and she was grateful for it. And so, even though she could never sneeze again, Isabella was happy, knowing that she had found her true purpose in life, to help others in need. And every now and then, when she felt a sneeze coming on, she would take a deep breath and say trampoline, just to remember that unique sensation she once felt.
Achoo! Achoo!